Greetings. Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Kumar from SP Jain School of Global Management, Singapore campus. And today I would like to share with you the key findings of a research project that was undertaken here in our Singapore campus. This is on this topic called Adoption of Predictive Maintenance for Manufacturing Industry. It was undertaken by an EMBA student, and the key findings of this research project were actually published in a top journal called Journal of Manufacturing Technology Management. Manufacturing industry has been a key driver of growth and source of employment to millions of people in Asia. Now, if you look at Singapore as an example, over the last 60 years since independence, the industry has grown from low-cost, labor-intensive to high-value manufacturing. Today contributing to hundreds of billions of dollars in terms of total manufacturing output. Now, this research project focused more on the process manufacturing industry that consists of chemical industry, petroleum industry, and pharmaceutical industry, and that roughly contribute to 1/3 of the total manufacturing output. Now, if you look at the manufacturing industry today, it faces several challenges such as decreasing profit margin, increasing focus on safety and sustainability, and of course, we always hear about the global tariff war that is ongoing. Now, there is a lot of automation happening in the manufacturing industry. This leads to yet another challenge because the machines get interconnected. So this can be a challenge because when one machine goes down, the whole factory could be shut down. This can lead to substantial loss in production up to 20%. So there's a need for us to relook at the maintenance strategy and see how we can actually enhance the maintenance strategy using digital technologies. So now there is a new maintenance strategy that is emerging called data-driven predictive maintenance, which can actually lead to lower cost of maintenance, higher reliability on the machines, as well as increased production throughput. But having said that, this strategy requires a digital infrastructure to be put in place, a lot of data to be collected, as well as very advanced software system be also put in place. So a lot of countries in Asia, including Singapore, understand the need for predictive maintenance. However, they have the challenge of not able to clearly understand, the benefits, as well as unclear use cases, as well as lack of clear government support. So our research focus on bringing more clarity in some of these issues, so that company can plan for a proactive predictive maintenance strategy and plan for implementation. So this project was undertaken over a period of 1 year and involved collection data from over 100 professionals. And our key findings include the various factors that influence adoption intention. And one key dimension that came about is actually the technology factors. Right? So the first thing about technology is about the need to have a proper digital infrastructure to be put in place. So this includes a sensor network, sensors that can collect data such as humidity, temperature, as well as machine vibrations, and process in real time so that actually you can make predictions about a potential machine failure. However, this requires a lot of sophisticated applications, software applications to be put in place, and also there is important safeguard to be put in place in terms of data security and privacy. Yes, indeed, we need strong organizational support to enable predictive maintenance in manufacturing industry. Our findings show we need two critical components in place. First is the top management support. The top management support that enable predictive maintenance to be the strategic priority for the organization, and also top management support for promoting data-driven decision making. All right. The second part to organizational support is the employee skill set, because when it comes to predictive maintenance, we need a range of skill set, include data collection and quality management, software applications and analysis, as well as skill set related to security and control. So we need to put in place sufficient opportunities for employees to get trained. Now, there could be also other organizational issues such as change management, business process re-engineering. But in our findings, interestingly, in Singapore's context, we did not find this to be a major challenge, but it could be different in other countries. The reason being, there's a lot of automation already happening in the manufacturing industry. So people are already tuned and accustomed to the need for change and the need for business process reengineering, setting the right mindset among the employees. So all we have to do now is to get a stronger mandate for the top management and focus a lot more on employee skill set development. There are a lot of things we can do to accelerate adoption, and definitely one area is the collaboration with external partners. The manufacturing companies do not have the expertise to do all that is required to implement predictive maintenance. So there is to work with technology service providers and vendors to put in place the infrastructure as well as do things such as data analytics based on the data collected. So this requires an open mindset among the employees as well as the top management. However, it also brings in another challenge in terms of loss of control as well as issues such as data privacy and security. So this is where the governments have to come in, the government agencies have to come in terms of setting up the right policies and guidelines as well as standards, so that the ecosystem can come together to collaborate on these possibilities and opportunities. And for example, in the area of data management, sharing of data is a major challenge. So having a right set of guidelines in terms of data protection can help a lot in terms of accelerating adoption of predictive maintenance.